Hey, what's up YouTube? As you guys can see on the table, I am pleased to announce that I am going to be partnering with Perrin Performance to help promote the brand new front mount intercooler for the VB WRX. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. Let's go ahead, we're gonna unbox it. We're gonna fully take a look at everything up close. My goal when I make this type of content, guys, is to give you guys the perspective that you are unboxing the item yourself. I spend a lot of extra time to film in this style and to edit my content in a way to try to create that experience for you guys on my channel. If you guys appreciate this type of content, hit the thumbs up and subscribe down below. It helps out. Thanks a lot. Looks like we got a sticker or something in the box. There's some more intercooler piping down here. Thank goodness little Julie is going to help me pick up all this popcorn that I spilt all over the floor. Get this cleaned up, so I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to move the table over here so we've got more space, and we'll get a good up close look at everything. Let's go ahead and start with the Perrin box. See that this is our couplers and hose clamps, and I've got another Perrin license plate. All your hardware. So we've got the majority of everything open except for the intercooler. We're going to save the best for last. But the intercooler piping, it looks awesome. It looks just like the charge piping, same wrinkled black finish, same as the intake and the cold air intake heat shield. So this is going to match perfect. All the couplers look really nice. They're all labeled, most of them are all labeled with Perrin. So these look pretty good. You get all the hose clamps. I love these brackets, these CNC aluminum brackets. I believe that's to mount the core to the front frame of the car. These all look good. This is going to go to the throttle body. All anodized black, really nice. This goes to the turbo. This is the adapter, and then I'm not sure what this goes to. I'm not sure if that's the blow-off valve bypass relief tube. So we'll look at all that. Comes with all your hardware, everything you need in the box. Couple spacers. Let's look at the core. That's what you guys want to see. Let's give the people what they want. So the box had a pretty big dent on the outside, so I'm hoping that there's no damage here. Let's go ahead and pop this open. That packing foam on the intakes is definitely a win from Perrin. No damage at all. For you guys that watched the last few videos, we had a giveaway on the channel. Congratulations to Skyline SoCal Steve. You've won the Top Don GS2000 portable jump starter giveaway. I appreciate your channel support. I know you're a Skyline guy. I took a peek at your Skyline GTR channel and can see that you have an R32. So thanks for watching the Skyline content as well as the WRX content. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in a couple of bonus JDM right-hand drive artwork prints for you, and I'll have that mailed out to you after my next days off next week, so I can get those prints in the box for you, so you have a little bit of extra in there. And I appreciate your guys' support. To everybody that commented and watched the video, I'll have another giveaway probably later on in the future. So thanks again, guys. Let's get back to today's video. And thank you to Top Don for sponsoring the giveaway. I'll put a link in the description down below for this item, as well as to Top Don's Facebook page and website if you guys want to check them out. Okay, Julia, you're gonna go ahead and help. Go ahead and take that cardboard off so we can see the intercooler. All right, look at that. That looks so awesome. Holy crap, guys, this thing looks freaking awesome. The quality is really nice, very like thick, beefy, strong. Like the material they use, I like the finish, all the Perrin badging on it. Really nice finish. I like all the brackets and stuff that are built into it. And let's take a peek inside. This is just to kind of show you guys to get an idea of what it's going to look like size-wise. In the front, it's going to be huge. And the thing that I'm super excited about versus the OEM one is there's no plastic. This is all aluminum all the way around, so it's going to be a lot stronger. And being that it's at the front of the car, behind that front bumper, it's going to be getting direct air, so less chance for heat soak versus the stock intercooler that sits behind the hood scoop on top of the engine. When I'm at the track doing lap after lap after lap, that's going to get heat soak, and it's not going to make as good a power and higher chance of detonation. So this is going to keep the engine safe, keep the temps down, and give us better performance and more horsepower, and that's what we're after. But look how thick this gauge is on this aluminum, and then look how nice these welds are. And I really like the coating, the powder coating that they put on this. And these are a solid cast aluminum end tank as well, and I think they look freaking awesome. And this piping as well, guys, this is all solid aluminum with powder coating, so pretty much maintenance free. Never have to do anything with it. It's gonna be awesome. I wanna give a big special thanks and a shout out to Perrin Performance. Thank you so much for partnering with me to help you guys launch the 22 WRX Perrin front mount intercooler for the new VB chassis. I'm super grateful, and it's pretty crazy to me as some guy who started just making videos in his garage a couple years ago for fun to where I'm at now. I'm almost at 10,000 subs on the channel because of all the people like you guys on the other side that are watching this video right now. Thank you so much to all you guys. Without you, this would not be possible to happen. To have an opportunity to work with a company as big as Perrin is pretty huge. They've been in the Subaru game for over 20 years. Jeff, if you're watching this video, thank you so much. It's been really nice chatting back and forth with you on email, and I'm looking forward to coming down to the Perrin facility and touring the shop with you, getting to meet you in person and kind of seeing a little bit more in depth what you guys do behind the scenes. And it's pretty crazy. I've already had my 22 WRX for a year. I just picked up the tabs 2 days ago on it. It's pretty crazy. I put 17,000 miles on it, and it's been an awesome platform to work with, and I'm super excited to still have this car, and I can't wait to finish it over the next couple years. But this is gonna be awesome. Let's go ahead and pull off the stock intercooler, and let's compare that versus this Perrin. Ready to come up and out. See our nice cob pitch stop back there. If you guys missed last week's video, we did a full Perrin intake install with heat shield. I'll have a link in the description down below as well as in the tag up above for you guys. But wow, guys, look how crazy the difference in size is in the OEM top mount versus the Perrin. This thing is massive. And what I'm gonna do is get a good measurement. We could go cubic inches difference from the core versus the OEM one. But the big difference that I see is the plastic that's gonna, become brittle over time. And this is all solid aluminum. So definitely much stronger. It's gonna hold higher horsepower. And these channels that the air pass through versus these is gonna flow way more air versus these little guys. So I got my tape measure, guys. Let's check it out. We are at 9 1/4, and running the entire width of the core, we are at 27.5, and we are 3.5 inches thick. So the OEM one, we are 20 inches wide by 6 1/4 inches tall. So the OEM one, you can kind of see how it's recessed. You got these kind of metal plates on the end, and it's recessed back. So when I measured it, when you deduct that, yeah, I'm gonna call that 2.5. And this kind of gives you the perspective on the inside. You can see how big the core is inside. It's exactly 2.5 inches. Well, these are the little tiny runners I was telling you about versus the Perrin ones, which I'll throw back up on the screen. And these definitely are a lot more restrictive. So we got that extra thickness and extra girth we needed. This is going to definitely do a much better job over OEM, keeping things cool and making some extra horsepower. So the Perrin is massive. It's coming in at 957.68 308 cubic inches. That is a big beefy boy. And the stock one is coming in at 312.5 inches versus 957. So the Perrin is like 3 times the size, and I think it's gonna flow way more efficiently having these larger channel runners that go through it. So I'm super excited about this. Let's hit that 350 horsepower mark, guys. I am ready to do it. You guys leave me a comment down below. What type of horsepower do you think I'm gonna make on my car with this new intercooler with a Perrin intake system catback exhaust? We're gonna do, we've got a Cobb access port and we're gonna do an E30 blend. I've been thinking of going with the Drunkman E30 blend tune. If you guys have any information on that, let me know what you think of that. Or if there's any other tunes on the market that you think would be better, you guys leave me some comments down below. I'd appreciate the advice. The other option I'm considering too is going to like Pacific Import Auto, which is a super specialty dealership kind of where I live, and doing a pro, like actual pro tune with them. And I think that runs like 700 bucks to get the car actually on the dyno and tuned professionally. So that's an option as well. You guys leave me a comment down below for horsepower and torque numbers. I want to see what you guys think versus how much it's actually going to do and if we're in the ballpark. Well guys, that's going to wrap up today's video for the unboxing on the Perrin front mount intercooler for the VB WRX. You guys make sure you tune in next week. I will be posting the full install. I'm actually out in the garage. I'm going to knock it out right now. I got to go back in. I got to edit today's video of the unboxing and get it posted today because we had to do the giveaway on the channel from a few weeks back. So thank you guys that participated in the giveaway, and thank you for all you guys that watched today's video. Leave me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and if you made it to the end of the video, leave me a hashtag to the end so I know you guys made it. I appreciate you to the end, guys. Thanks, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. I don't know about you boys if you spend a lot of time doing laundry while you're trying to manage your projects and running the household, but I'm a family man. That is my #1 thing. It says it on all my social media. #1, I'm a family man. And I take care of my family, my wife, my daughters. When they're off at school and working, I do laundry. When I'm off at working and my wife's home, she does the same thing. We are a team. That's what family's about. And yeah, so this load is going to be done. And I got one more to do. Managing that between my video editing and working out in the garage. And yep, happy wife, happy life. You boys know that. Now, Perrin hasn't officially released the front mount intercooler, but they will be launching it soon. I will have a link to their website down below so you guys can keep an eye out.